Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Beignet Souffle. First, ensure you have all your ingredients measured and ready to go. This preparation makes the entire cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. Remember, a well-organized kitchen is key to culinary success. Pay close attention to the specific measurements and temperatures outlined in your chosen recipe for the perfect outcome. Let's create something delicious together. Now, let's focus on crafting the perfect Beignet dough. Begin by whisking your dry ingredients together to ensure even distribution. Next, gently warm your milk. It should be lukewarm, not hot, to properly activate the yeast. Combine the wet and dry ingredients, then knead the dough for about 10 minutes until it feels smooth and springs back when lightly pressed. This step is crucial for a light, airy texture. After kneading, it's time for the dough to proof. Place it in a warm, draft-free spot, covered, until it doubles in size, which usually takes about 1 to 2 hours. Once risen, gently punch down the dough and cut it into squares. Heat your frying oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop the beignets into the hot oil, frying them for about 1 minute per side until they are beautifully golden brown and puffed. With your beignets fried, it's time to assemble the soufflé. While the beignets are still warm, prepare your soufflé base according to your recipe. The key is to work quickly. Gently fold in stiffly whipped egg whites to incorporate air, creating that signature light and fluffy texture. Arrange the warm beignets in your soufflé dish, pour the mixture over them, and bake. Serve immediately, dusted generously with powdered sugar for a delightful finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.